Stress, frustration, noise. When it overwhelms me, I go for a run, surrounded by nature's calm. All living things are working hard to survive and reach their genetically defined potential to maintain this peaceful environment. Except humans. Everything has potential, and humans have been using and reaching their potential for a long time. There are significant moments throughout history that highlight human potential. Early tools focused on aiding survival, so tools for agriculture, for example, were essential. Around 1500 BC, wooden animal-drawn plows were used to assist with tilling, and stone sickles were used to help with harvesting. Once human needs were met, inventions expanded to make human life easier. During the Industrial Revolution, people witnessed significant improvements in transportation, with steam engines advancing trains and boats. In the 19th century, people experienced improved communication with the invention of the telegraph around 1844, and the first telephone was patented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. In the 20th century, the airplane was invented in 1903, starting a new mode of time-efficient transportation. The first mobile phone call was made by Martin Cooper in 1973, and the first commercial cell phone was introduced in the early 1980s. The first commercial radio broadcast was in 1920. Improvements throughout the 20th and 21st centuries eventually led to the evolution of today's technology. Inventions aren't the only examples of humans reaching their potential. Some celebrities and historical figures have become famous by reaching their potential in their respective fields. Despite being ill, Michael Jordan famously led his team to victory in Game 5 of the 1997 NBA Finals. He pushed his body to the limits and scored 38 points in the 44 minutes he played. Albert Einstein was ridiculed by his teacher when he was young for being unable to speak in complete sentences until he was 5. He did not let his speech become an intellectual block. He went on to develop theories of relativity and won a Nobel Prize. Even animals have shown their drive to reach their potential. Apes use their communication skills to problem solve, cooperate, learn, share information, and resolve conflict. They can accomplish these complex feats with vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. With these communication skills, they can offer emotional support and strengthen social bonds with one another. Solenopsis invicta, better known as fire ants, live in rainforest floodplains, but can constantly adapt to their environment and survive. Water rises regularly near their homes, but they can weave their bodies into rafts, trapping bubbles around and between their waxy, water-repellent bodies. They can breathe and float for months until they find a new home. The difference between animal and human potential is drastic with the help of technology. People have so much potential and have shown what it looks like to reach their potential in a specific field. That potential could be used in a satisfactory, economically beneficial, and environmentally friendly way. Yet people are continuously using up limited resources for menial wants and desires, such as celebrities using private jets when alternative options are more environmentally friendly. Careless and ignorant usage of the environment negatively impacts our home. Despite all the resources and previous knowledge passed down, humans have forgotten their source of survival is not infinite. Fossil fuels, minerals, and even dirt are finite. Fresh drinking water is limited, and most of it is frozen. But there is still hope. Some people are working to use their potential to help care for our home. Jane Goodall is known for correcting misunderstandings regarding chimpanzees, but has also been actively promoting the protection of our planet. She has spoken to various people, from government leaders to the youth. Her conservation organization, the Jane Goodall Institute, JGI, was established in 1997 and has influenced youth to participate in activities that protect the environment. Working as a team is the most efficient way to protect our home, but it starts with you. Our potential can cause ripple effects worldwide. Use it to preserve and appreciate the life around you. The gift of life is so precious. Don't take it for granted.